Today's lesson, boys and girls, we will continue studying sentence structures. Today we're going to be looking at some of the vocabulary we will need to take on our jigsaw sentence puzzles for our activity. So first we need to look at the words we will use. So we'll be looking at the vocabulary. Vocabulary is the words that we use to make up a sentence. Some of the words you should know, but we will go over some of them together just to make sure that you remember everything. So, after teachers finished explaining the words, I want you to practice saying the words. Like we do in the classroom, teacher goes first and the student must go second. All right, let's begin. Our first word for today, road. A road is the place where we drive our cars. I'm sure you've seen a road by now. Let's practice saying it together. We'll practice each word 3 times. Let's begin. Road, road, road. Very good. Let's look at the next one. The next word I want to look at is cross. Normally we'll see it together with other words, so today we'll see it in our sentences. Cross the road. To cross the road means we start on one side of the road and we walk across it to the other side of the road. All right, nice and easy to understand. Let's practice saying the words in the sentence. Cross. Cross the road. Very good. One more time. Cross the road. Excellent work. Boys and girls, as we're going, if you feel like teacher's going too fast, please pause the video and you can rewind and practice any words that seem tricky for you before you go to the next one. Our next word, care. Care. The word care is short for careful. Maybe you've heard the word be careful before. So the word careful means making sure to avoid danger or harm, to stay away from it. Okay, you need to look and think about where you're walking to be safe. Take care not to get hurt when using your scissors. Let's practice the word care. 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 Excellent. Let's keep going. Here's a word you should know where we practiced with the I blank E words for the long vowel I. It is a kite. A kite is actually a type of toy. We use wind to make it fly in the sky. Let's practice saying it. Kite. 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 Excellent. Let's keep going. The next word we're practicing, makes. Make sure I want to hear that S at the end. So when we practice, think carefully, because there's a difference when grade 1 you will learn between make and makes. First, let's think, what does it mean? To make something is the same as to build something. We start with nothing or even pieces, and we put them together to make something new. He makes this kite. Nice and easy. When we add S to the words you'll learn in grade 1, it shows us that it's happening now. He makes this kite. We can see it happening in the picture. Let's practice saying it together. I want to hear the S at the end. So listen carefully. Makes. Makes. Let's try them both differently. Make. Makes. Make sure that you say or do not say the S when you read it. Think carefully, boys and girls. Almost at the end. Hold on just a little bit longer. Here we have 2 words, and we have two cars. The first car is old. The second car is new. The old car has been alive for very, very long and it has some rust on it. The new car is fancy and shiny with clean paint. Those are ways we can see if something is old or new when looking at cars. So let's practice only the words in red. Let's go. Old and new. Again, old and new. Last time, little bit faster. Old and new. Very good. Let's go to the last word. Our last word is shy. It's a SH sound with the long vowel I at the end. Shy. Sometimes if there are too many people, we get too scared to talk. We say that we are feeling shy. It's almost feeling a little bit scared. Okay, we can see the little girl is feeling shy, so she is hiding behind her hands. Let's practice saying the word out loud. Are you ready? Let's go. Shy. 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 Very good practice. Alright, boys and girls, that brings us to the end of our first lesson for today. If you're still struggling with some of the words, please rewind the video, listen carefully, and practice saying the words until you get it right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.